If you run a restaurant, whether that be fine dining, a bar, cafe, maybe even a food truck, chances are you're going to need a point of sale system. That system should be flexible, feature rich, and maybe even geared towards restaurants specifically. We understand that here at business.com, and that's why our team of experts spent countless hours researching various point of sale systems to determine that TouchBistro is the best point of sale system for restaurants. Let's dive into why. Restaurants often need flexibility when it comes to the type of hardware and payment processing they need for their point of sale system. And while many other vendors only offer one standard terminal or point of sale system, TouchBistro offers that plus more. We like that they offer restaurant specific features such as customer facing display systems, kitchen display systems. This just adds to the level of flexibility that you can create a customized POS system for your restaurant. We also liked that they were flexible in terms of payment processing. While they do offer TouchBistro payments partnered with Chase, you can also choose to integrate with third-party payment processors like Moneris, WorldPay, Evo, Barclaycard, Square, and more. Another feature we really liked about TouchBistro was its inventory management. And while many other vendors do offer some form of this, we like that TouchBistro's inventory management is geared towards restaurants specifically. For example, you can track levels all the way down to specific ingredients. You can flag low menu items to help you reduce food waste and only order when you're low. And you can even see food cost versus sales to determine profitability on each menu item to help you determine what stays and what goes this season. Reliability is key when it comes to a POS system for restaurants. If you're in the middle of a dinner rush and your POS system stops working, madness, right? Game over. So TouchBistro offers that reliability because it's a hybrid POS system, and it's actually one of the only hybrid POS systems we reviewed. Now, this means that the software runs on an on-site server, but your data is stored in the cloud. So you can access your data from anywhere with an internet connection, but if your internet goes out, you can still continue to ring up orders. The last feature that we loved about TouchBistro and what made it our best pick as the best POS system for restaurants is its level of customizability, if that's a word. For example, TouchBistro has drag and drop customizable floor plans, so you can replicate your exact business onto the POS system. This makes it really easy for your employees to make sure they're ringing up the orders on the right tables and running the food to those exact tables. Additionally, TouchBistro offers add-on features like reservations, online ordering, gift cards, and loyalty programs. Now, while some other vendors do offer these, not all of them do, and these can be a great way and sometimes even essential to customize your POS system to match your restaurant's needs. Now, not all restaurants need these features, which is why we like that TouchBistro doesn't automatically charge you for them. They offer them as add-on options. It's given all of these features and more, which is why TouchBistro is our pick here at business.com as the best POS system for restaurants.